Hello friends, I just got my hands on the Fossil ME3257 watch and honestly, it exceeded my expectations. The design is super clean and stylish, perfect for both casual and formal wear. It has that premium look without being overly flashy. The build quality feels solid and it's really comfortably on the wrist, even after wearing it all day. What I love the most is how versatile it is. You can literally pair it with anything and it still looks sharp. Definitely a great value for money. If you're looking for a watch that upgrades your style without breaking the bank, this is the one worth checking out.